Yeah, okay. And I hope you still remember the one that we studied in the last session. And while we are waiting for our friend, I just want to ask several words. Like, do you still remember what grain is? Any of you can answer. You don't need to raise your hand. Just type it. Yeah, there is only one UT student, and she is not here now because she has to do something else. She will be back later. Yep, it's okay. But while we're waiting for the other, do you have any questions? Or oh no no, answer my question first. What is bahasa Indonesia for grain? Do you still remember or not? My voice is quite clear, right? I don't need to make it bigger, to make it louder. Sorry, not bigger. Yeah, okay then. So, anyone cares to answer my question? Mm-hmm. Okay. Yep, yep, yep. It's okay. Yeah. And what about mortal? Do you remember mortal? Oh, I mention that in your class? I don't really remember actually whether it's in another class. Yeah. So, what is mortal? Any of you? You can open your dictionary, no problem. Besides, we are translating. It's impossible for us to remember all of the words, unless the one that we use very often. And mortal, this is quite often, but maybe you don't really know this. Not miracle, it's something different. Mortal. Okay, I write it. It is mortal. Yes, mortal. Mortal. What is it? Mm-hmm. Oh, it's more than 10 minutes already, so we are going to start our class soon. We're I'm waiting for the answer, and after this we'll just start the class. Well, actually, you don't need to raise your hand. It's okay. Just type it. No problem. Oh, by the way, wait for 5 minutes, okay? I'll be back. Not less than 5 minutes. Okay, thank you for waiting. I have been back. Miss Cici, use English. Well, I see most of you do not use English anymore now. Well, it's actually not mematikan. You only need to use abadi or tidak abadi. Just use these two words. In GITC alone. Mortal is abadi. Men are mortal. Apakah men itu abadi? Come on. Are you sure that men are mortal? Manusia abadi? Adakah manusia yang hidup selamanya? Yes, tidak abadi. Mortal tidak abadi, but immortal abadi. Ya, Tuhan itu abadi. God is immortal. Men are mortal. Yep. Okay. So let's just start the class. Well, actually, I should wait for UTT, but I don't know where is it. Okay, let's just start. It's more than 15 minutes already. Almost 15 minutes. Yes, and as usual, this is the outline. We'll start from quiz and then notes. Yes, okay. And then exercises and homework and references. Okay, so there will be not many notes today because most of the notes that I have given in the previous meetings have been discussed. So yeah, you study from that, you can review, and if you have any questions, you can ask me directly. Yes, okay, so only Miss Koto is only with Miss Angie, Miss Irnawati, both of you only. No other? Okay, then. Yeah. We continue now to the next slide. Yes, as usual, I will need your answer. So, anyone wants to try, just type it. Okay? Oh, some friends, senior class. Okay. Okay, hello everyone. Yeah, and let's get back to our slide. The first one is caveman. If you know the answer, just type it. You don't need to raise your hand. And we discussed this before in the last session, and I believe you still remember. So, yep. Okay, right. Manusia gua, and then picturing an object. Picturing an object, what is it? Object gambar, are you sure? Well, usually when you have noun like this is a noun, right? Actually, it's a noun. Picture is a noun, okay? And then you have picturing. That means there is a noun that has become a gerund because we want to make it as a subject. Ya, jadi kalau misalnya kita mau membuat suatu kata benda menjadi kata kerja, ditambahkan ing, berarti harusnya bukan objek gambar karena objek gambar ini menjadi noun. Yang di sini yang kita butuhkan adalah kata kerja yang sudah dibendakan. Kira-kira apa ya kata picturing ini dalam bahasa Indonesia? Anyone? Objek yang bergambar. Okay, let's forget about that for a moment. Now, if I give you this one to fishing in troubled water. What do you think this one is? Fishing in troubled water. How do you translate fishing? Oh, okay. Angie bilang, yeah, that is the translation for the real meaning. Yes, yes, okay. But I want you to translate only the word fishing. If you want to translate it word by word, how will you translate fishing? It is not pemancingan. Pemancingan is a well, it's not the one that I want. You actually can say memancing. It's the verb, memancing. Kita masih tetap mempertahankan bentuk kata kerjanya. What about this one? Smoking is not allowed. What about this? How will you translate the word smoking? Merokok. See, you still maintain it is as a verb. Masih kan bentuknya kata kerja. So how about this one? Picturing an object. Remember, you may not translate it word by word. Jangan bilang ini menggambarkan ya. Kalau menggambarkan sudah pasti salah. Harusnya cukup satu kata, memotret. Picturing an object here, you can use only one word to translate, memotret. Kita ingin menggambarkan sebuah objek. Apa sih kira-kira yang dimaksud menggambarkan sebuah objek? Ini pasti berhubungan dengan kamera, memotret. Okay? Now what about ideas? That is plural. Idea is the singular. So, yep, ide-ide. You have a big smile. Well, actually, if it is for ide, kadang-kadang tidak harus diterjemahkan ide-ide. You can write ide. And the other word, ya itu kalau paling mirip ya, paling gampang. The other word is gagasan. Yes. Okay, what about code with? Anyone? You don't know? Okay, let's just open the answer. It's actually melapisi. Code with melapisi. Okay, the next one, roll film. Nah, hati-hati. Tidak selalu kata-kata seperti with harus diterjemahkan. Ingat, dengan, di, ke, dari, yang tidak selalu harus diterjemahkan. Kalau kita hanya menggunakan kata code sendiri, kalau kata benda, code kan mantel. Tapi kalau tidak dipakai, kalau untuk kata kerja tidak pakai with, kita bisa membuat jadi seperti kita menggunakan mantel. Nah, dengan kata code with artinya berubah karena dia bisa dibilang phrasal verbs. Maka artinya melapisi. Sama seperti put on. Put on memakai. Kita tidak bilang menaruh di atas. Unless you say put on the table. Do you have any question up to this moment? No questions? Okay. So what about roll film? This should be easier for you. Can you answer that? Only one person? What about Miss Cici? Do you want to answer or not? So I just need whether you are film only? No, it's not film only. Okay. Yap, this one. Yang bermasalah di punya Mbak Ketut karena dia ada 2 L. Hati-hati, bahasa Inggris dan bahasa Indonesia tidak selalu diterjemahkan sama. Klis itu nggak ada, yang ada malah klise sebetulnya. Tapi biasanya kita pakai film roll sih. Sekarang kita sudah tidak pakai klise. Oke, sebenarnya nggak perlu minta maaf. Yang penting hati-hati aja, karena nanti saat ujian kan kalian tidak maaf. Kalian tidak minta maaf ke penguji, tapi minta maaf ke diri sendiri karena kecerobohan kalian. Ya, and then lightweight. What about lightweight? Remember, we discussed about compound words yesterday. So in case you find this one too